This is the Norwegian Gem, room number 8034. Let's have a look. When you come in, you will see that we have it set up as a double bed because there is two of us. You also have the couch, which I believe pulls out to a bed, and then up here you have additional sleeping. You have a little getting ready corner. I do recommend that you buy a plug because before in the past you used to bring extension cord, and the last time they took it away from us, but we brought this plug this time and they didn't do anything because you only have one outlet, two outlets in the whole room. So if you got stuff that needs to be charged, you have that. Every room comes with a hair dryer, so you don't need to bring your own hair dryer. And then this is the balcony. You can't really see out there because it's dark right now, but I will add that in later. And then over, this room does have connecting rooms, so if you are traveling with family, this is definitely a plus. Also, the balcony opens up and you can share your balcony with a neighbor if you choose to. TV, not a lot of great channels. The refrigerator is here. It does come, this is our junk, but it does come stocked with the sparkling water and the regular water. Used to have alcohol in them, but not anymore. But anything that you drink in there costs money, so let me bring our water back with us. You have 3 drawers here, additional storage here and here, and then you have a double closet that has a light and significant amount of hangers. We also usually bring a rack that you have, a shoe hanging rack, and you can put additional things in there. And then there's more storage here and your safe. For some reason this one is sticky, it doesn't work great. Your air conditioning is here. What's good about this room is that you don't need a key card to keep your air on. It stays on even when you're not in the room, which is pretty good. Here's some hanging, and there's another hanging behind you there. This is the washroom. The shower does have a head that detaches and adjusts to your height. It comes with shampoo and body wash. The loofah is ours. In the washroom, it does have a couple of shelves here. Towels, hand towels, Kleenex, garbage underneath there, and there's a Sharps container under there as well. And then your washroom. I don't necessarily love that it has this privacy wall because it's very tight and we're not large people, so I can only imagine how much harder it would be for somebody else. And that's it. That's room number 8034. Hope you enjoy.